Good afternoon, guys. I did a video this morning while I was out in the garden doing my amending. Actually, I was amending my soil. And after reviewing the footage, I mean, you just really seen too much of nothing. So I did not want to not give you a little bit of info on that. So my celery, guys, look at this. Woo! Jesus, y'all see that bug over there? See, that's what I don't do. See, y'all about to see me have a fit and break this tablet. I don't know if that was a grasshopper or one of them other things, but I don't need him to jump on me. So we're gonna go this way, and there's probably 1,000 of them out here. So what I did was, I'm gonna let you see. This is my herb bed. I actually amended it. I didn't blend it in. I'm just gonna let the rain do it. I might come and water it, but I'm gonna check my soil. I might move it around a little bit. We're gonna come out here and see. And I didn't blend it in neither one of them. As you can see, those turnip greens are standing up pretty good. That mustard. And I did the video that you will see before this one, most likely, where I was talking over it, and I noticed certain footages you could not see because of the way this particular tablet was positioned. So in that video, again, it's showing where I actually planted I did some kale, some red Russian kale right in between here. Let's see if you can see that marker. That marker down there. I don't know where my finger at. Over there. As well as some noble spinach. I heard it's supposed to do real good. I also planted some leeks. Some spinach right here. The noble giant spinach. Some leeks right here. Some lemongrass right here. The spinach that I direct sowed back there, they did pretty good. So the ones that I transplanted, I just pulled them up. And this is the other side of my turnip green. And what I did, like I said, I laid today. I came out and I put coffee grounds and some chicken compost, as well as some garden limes and some slow release. Here I have a tiny Tim tomato. We're gonna see if that's gonna germinate out here or not. My pepper plant is putting on more buds, so we're gonna see if that's gonna do anything or not. As well as this one, I think this one here is a bell pepper, the one that's been I think it was just dormant because it was so freaking hot. The corn, I don't know if you, as you can see in another video, it's later Sunday, I'm sorry. So this corn is going to come up. I guess I will wait until tomorrow because it is getting late. I'm just going to take that corn out. I don't have any hope or promise. Nothing for that. I don't think that's going to make it. This one here is a zucchini plant. Now the leaves look really healthy. And this is a squash plant. These are starting to stalk out a little bit more. So I will give them a little bit longer to see if they're going to do anything. I did amend this soil as well. As well as this one. Man, look at those mustard greens, guys. They are so beautiful. And again, I normally don't have many issues with mustard greens. So we're going to see how that goes. Mustard greens, I'm saying greens, period. This banana pepper is still producing, but what I do see is this cucumber plant is going to be taken over. And I'm going to go ahead and take this one off, the stem. Looks terrible. I normally don't leave stems on if they're already browning or any of the sort. I just go ahead and take them off. That's just a waste of energy. This is my trough. As you can see, They're doing really, really good. Those seedlings are coming up. And I'm gonna start pulling some of them. I'm gonna start thinning them out. Maybe by next week sometime. I did amend this soil as well. Over here I laid some in the middle I laid some cauliflower, the all year brown. And I did that because I really want to see how that do, because it's supposed to be able to I'm assuming grow all year long. So this cauliflower over here is looking pretty good. The broccoli is looking halfway decent, and it's actually, the sprouts are coming up from what I direct sowed. These mustard greens over here as well is trying to catch up. They're doing well, as well as the mustard tender I said that had looked kind of crazy is growing, and the new mustard tenders are coming in, as well as the new mustard greens. I did plant some more mustards over here. I planted the mustard, I think the broadleaf mustard seeds or something like that. So I don't have my clippers out here, and I'm just pinching. But I do have 3, 4. I have a couple of more cucumbers are growing on here. So that is doing really, really good. My okra is still producing. We're going to see how that goes. It's still flowering. The watermelon, I don't know. This thing is leaning, and I'm going to have to probably take that tomato cage there and see if I can kind of support that. Now, this particular tomato plant, this is my cherry tomato. I did harvest that. You've probably seen that in one of the videos. I'm thinking of ripping it up, but right now I'm gonna leave it because I think I see a few more buds coming in. I mean, hey, it's a tomato plant. I can plant around it if I have to. I did plant these pineapples. I'm gonna come out tomorrow and trim the brown leaves because I really want to see what is the new growth and what's not. I should have did it before I planted this particular one here, but we'll see how that go. I'm still waiting to, I keep seeing baby sugar babies coming up, but then they end up turning brown or something like that, even as a little one. Like over here in the back where that black bag at, it's about 3 or 4 of them right there clustered up on between those 2 stems. And also it's one right here. Let me see if I can get you in there. And this one here, I actually tossed this in because I really didn't want to walk on it. Over here is my bok choy, and I can't remember what this one is. My 1000 kale. So I think this particular kale is supposed to get pretty big. I'm excited to see that. So if by chance it looks like, I will do a moisture tester tomorrow. So if it looks like it's getting dry, which I doubt it, I would try to use this to see if this water hose is gonna actually do anything. If not, I might have to think of something else to guide the water. But this one here, I'm sorry for swinging you, filled up half, it's probably like, technically like right here, somewhere up in there, a little under here, this mark. That's good. The other one, it has not made it that far. It did make it over the water spigot inside of it. So I'm going to allow that to continuously to grow. Just in case you couldn't see it on the other video, I'm going to see if you can see the water tote here. If you start at the bottom in line with that little spigot, that's the first line. Then right above it is the second, and then third. And then there's 3 more lines, middle lines above that. So technically, I have at least 3 more lines to be a little safe, consider it filled up. That is a 330 gallon or a 375 gallon, something like that. But since I know I got to come out here and clean that greenhouse out because I sure don't want nothing to come and jump out on me. Let's see if I can turn you around. Okay, guys. Let's